Hi, today I'm making meatloaf. The weather has changed, and so meatloaf seemed like a good weeknight option. So I'm going to begin with 2 pounds of ground beef, an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. You can also use more if you like, but I actually add that tomato sauce to the ground beef. 2 finely chopped cloves of garlic are going to be added, as well as a 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions. And then I add breadcrumbs, the Progresso Italian breadcrumbs. You can add any kind of breadcrumbs you like. It's really your choice. But breadcrumbs are needed for meatloaf. 2/3 cup of multicolored, finely, chopped small of bell pepper, onion powder, as well as seasoned salt to taste. Of course, I add my pepper and the ever faithful Italian seasoning. And so I'm adding all of those to taste. So really what your preferences are. From there, I'm going to add 1 egg to this whole mixture, and I'm going to mix that whole batch of ingredients very well. And then I'm going to form the meatloaf to fit into these baking tins or baking pans that I have for bread. And I'm making small ones, so I have 2 little mini meatloaf here, so I can use them for a couple of days. I'm going to bake these at 375 for about 30 minutes. Let it rest for about 5 and then serve. It's a great weeknight and easy meal to make.